So you've got a roofing job you want to talk about? Yeah, we got to do some work on this HVAC unit right near the edge of the roof, so I figured we'll just be really careful when we're working near the edge. While that's all well and good, shouldn't you be using some fall protection? Yeah, but we've been doing it this way for years, so we should be fine. People have also been falling off stuff for years. Doesn't mean we should continue to do it. Okay, yeah, but you didn't hear my full logic. Okay, what's your logic? Because I said so. Yeah, I don't think OSHA's gonna like that answer. Okay, fine, Mr. Safety Pants. I mean, these are just normal pants. Okay, well, how about we put 2 pieces of metal up this way and then 2 pieces of metal this way? You mean a guardrail? Yeah, that. Okay, and how long is this guardrail going to be? At least 10 inches, feet, yards? Yes. Okay, well, it should at least extend 15 feet both ways beyond the area that you're working in. So that's like at least 30 feet. Exactly. Well, where am I gonna find a guardrail that I can easily install before I gotta do this job?